G'day. Something different today. Bit of an update on the behind the scenes of my life outside of the sim. Do a bit of go-kart racing on the side, so I thought I'd show you the highs and lows of doing a bit of motorsport on the side. Cut. Sorry about that. Just noticed the GoPro footage a bit flickery thanks to my LED light in the background here. Not much I could do about it. I noticed it later on in the day, so I changed the frame rate setting on the GoPro, but just bear with me. I've tried to edit it out. It's better than it was, but let's get going. In the sim, you can just hit a reset and you get a new car, but in real life, it doesn't happen that way. So, a couple of weeks ago, I was racing at Butterfly Farm in Sydney and had a bit of a lower bingle at the start of the race, so the chassis ended up being bent up this side by about 10 mil, so I had to go drop it off to the chassis whisperers. Just picked it up back today. I'll put a video of the clip here. What do you reckon? Feel the blokes ran out of talent. It's racing. Can't complain. So we've got a big box of bits here, all stripped down. So pretty much back to bare chassis, bar the brake and the pedals. So today I thought something different. I'll show you what goes on. So I'll put a bit of a time lapse on. Hopefully it doesn't take me all night. I sort of want to get it done this afternoon. It's, what is it, 3 o'clock. So hopefully done this by dinner time. It took me about 2.5 hours to strip it down, but so I thought I'd show you a bit of what goes on behind the scenes of busy sim racing. And yeah, I'll do a bit of a startup video at the end, so just test the waters. If you guys want to see go-kart content, I'll do some, eh? I'll put out some racing videos and all that sort of stuff, some clips, and yeah, see what you think, eh? Let's get into it. Righto, a few hours later, somewhat resembles a go-kart finished. It's taken me, shit, probably about 4 hours, 4 and a bit, a few smoko breaks. But yeah, we've done a test start, revved it outside. My neighbours love me with 2-stroke. But yeah, it was probably due for a rebuild. A bit of a freshen up, found a couple of things wrong, like even my steering shaft here. I think it's copped a bit of damage, you probably can't see in the camera, but it's probably kicked down by about 10 mil. I'll see how that goes and I'll shake down anyway. I've put a bit of a setup into it. Shout out to Martin at Karting Solutions. You need any brand new kart or repairs, hit him up, Oak Floats in Wollongong. He's the Shazzy Whisperer. But yeah, so he's put it on the jig, straightened up this side. The wheel alignment's come good. It's pretty bang on. I wouldn't complain, to be honest, but we'll see how we go. I'll try and get out the track on Monday next week, I think, and see how we go. So hope you enjoyed it. My garage is a bit of a mess, but should be right. That's it. The highs and lows of motorsport, eh? You crash, you got to fix it yourself. There's no escape button. Right, eh? Thanks for watching.